story of innovation begins with a vision and the courage to turn that vision into reality. At the heart of India's defense and maritime advancement stands Elcom Integrated Systems, a name synonymous with precision, innovation, and engineering excellence. When Unisquare Concepts partnered with Elcom, it marked the beginning of a creative journey into a world where technology meets storytelling. This collaboration wasn't just about design or production, it was about capturing the soul of innovation itself. From our CEO, Sir Mr. Uday Sonthalia's strategic workshop at their Mumbai headquarters to an extensive on-site photo and video shoot documenting their people, processes, groundbreaking technology, every effort was aimed at translating Elcom's technical brilliance into a visual experience.
While Elcom excels in the excellence in its own field, which is providing electronic solutions, we have found ourselves wanting in projecting what we are to both our customers and partners. And this is what has driven us to Unisquare Concepts, who came forward to guide us into this area of projecting the right capability in a right manner, which will appeal to the customers or their representatives, whosoever happen to be watching the products produced by them, whether it is in the written form or in the digital form.
We brought this vision to life through a powerful corporate film, a visually rich ad film, an intricately designed brochure, and a comprehensive corporate presentation, each crafted to reflect the legacy, precision, and forward-focused ethos of Elcom. This is the story behind that journey, a look into the creative process, the challenges, and the pursuit of perfection that defined our collaboration with Elcom Integrated Systems Private Limited. I am Pooja, and as Creative and Operations Associate at Unisquare Concepts, I had the privilege of being at the heart of this project. From planning every frame to ensuring seamless execution on ground, my role was to translate ideas into visuals to make strategy tangible and creativity functional. Being part of this collaboration with Elcom was more than a professional experience. It was an immersion into a world of innovation, precision, and purpose.
The guidance which we got from Unisquare Concepts in certain cases has exceeded our expectations, because we thought that our field is very niche and difficult for an outsider to understand. Unisquare has proven me wrong, and they came up with suggestions which I wouldn't have thought about.
For Unisquare Concepts, telling the story of such a brand meant one thing: capturing the power of engineering excellence through the art of communication. Our collaboration began with a special invitation to Elcom's Mumbai headquarters, the center of their innovation. The visit focused on a strategic workshop led by our CEO, Sir Mr. Uday Sonthalia, aimed at aligning creative communication with Elcom's long-term vision. The session encouraged open dialogue with their leadership team, laying the foundation for a unified brand approach. Alongside, our creative crew explored the facility to understand its scale and technical precision, insights that later shaped every frame we captured. This collaborative beginning set the direction for the next phase, an extensive photo and video shoot that brought Elcom's story to life. Elcom Integrated Systems Private Limited stands as one of India's foremost names in defense, maritime, and critical infrastructure technology. Headquartered in Navi Mumbai, Elcom has been shaping the nation's technological landscape for over 5 decades, delivering advanced systems in navigation, automation, combat management, and communication. With a strong presence across India's major naval and port cities and a team of over 250 skilled professionals, including technocrats, engineers, and ex-naval experts, Elcom has built a legacy rooted in innovation, reliability, and precision. Their work extends beyond machines and systems. It's about strengthening India's strategic capabilities and advancing the frontiers of indigenous technology. Once the strategic framework was set, our team transitioned into full-scale production, a detailed photo and video shoot designed to showcase Elcom's expertise with accuracy and visual depth. Every aspect of the shoot was planned and executed by Unisquare Concepts production team under the creative direction of our CEO sir, ensuring clarity, consistency, and a strong visual narrative throughout. From identifying key locations within the facility to defining the tone and style of visuals, our pre-production planning focused on capturing both the scale and precision of operations with authenticity. Our crew deployed a professional setup, mirrorless cameras for a high-resolution imagery, gimbals for stabilized motion, controlled lighting rigs, tripods, and directional microphones for clean field audio. Each frame was composed with technical precision to highlight Elcom's operation while maintaining cinematic balance. One of the notable challenges was filming the high technical PCB machinery, a process that required patience, timing, and expert coordination. Our team adapted lighting, camera angles, and motion techniques in real time to ensure both accuracy and visual appeal. Alongside the technical captures, we conducted leadership and team photo shoots portraying confidence, professionalism, and authenticity, bringing forward the human spirit behind the technology.
They have an excellent set of camera persons who know what to capture and how to present that visual effect which is appealing and keeps somebody looking at it again and again.
Every visual decision from framing to lighting to movement was made with intent. Guided by strategy and executed with creative precision, the result was a visual narrative that reflected Elcom's excellence and Unisquare Concepts' commitment to detail. From dynamic equipment shots to candid team interactions, from wide industrial panoramas to intricate macro details, every visual told a cohesive story of innovation and excellence. Behind every image and every sequence lay meticulous coordination, teamwork, and a shared commitment to perfection, the essence of what Unisquare Concepts stands for. Following the completion of the shoot, our focus turned to transforming visuals into impactful films that could communicate Elcom's legacy with clarity and sophistication. The corporate film was developed to narrate Elcom's journey, showcasing its facilities, technological prowess, and contribution to India's defense and maritime sectors. Our creative team meticulously crafted the storyline to ensure a cohesive, engaging, and brand-aligned narrative. Parallelly, a short ad film was created for exhibitions and digital platform, a concise, visually striking version that captured the brand's essence through cinematic storytelling and sharp, purposeful messaging. Every stage of production, from script writing and storyboarding to editing, sound designing, and motion graphics, was executed in-house by our creative team. The films were elevated through dynamic transitions, on-screen data visuals, and seamless motion integration, delivering a refined, professional experience. A carefully selected voiceover and immersive background score added depth and gravitas, maintaining the brand's authority and confident tone. Together, these films became powerful storytelling tools that not only highlighted Elcom's excellence, but also reflected Unisquare Concepts' creative precision and production expertise. Beyond the films, Unisquare Concepts extended the brand narrative into thoughtfully designed print and digital communication assets. Our team developed a premium corporate brochure conceptualized to present Elcom's diverse portfolio in a structured and visually elegant manner. Each page was designed to balance technical precision with aesthetic clarity, allowing even complex information to be communicated effortlessly. High-resolution visuals from our shoot paired with refined layouts gave the design a timeless and sophisticated appeal. Additionally, a comprehensive corporate presentation was created to support Elcom's business development and stakeholder communication. The 60-plus slide deck combined data-driven storytelling with cohesive design, empowering Elcom's leadership to present their capabilities with confidence across global forums. These assets were the result of meticulous planning and collaboration, ensuring the Elcom's communication materials reflected not only its scale and expertise, but also the modernity and precision that defines its legacy.
Whatever little interaction I had with the Unisquare team, I find them to be professional. They make efforts to understand the business in which the company is involved.
The collaboration between Unisquare Concepts and Elcom Integrated Systems was far more than a creative project. It was a partnership built on trust, precision, and shared vision. Personally, this project was an incredible learning experience. It allowed me to handle multiple aspects from production coordination and creative supervision to technical content alignment and client interaction, all under the expert guidance of our CEO, sir. His strategic vision and hands-on mentorship ensured that every deliverable reflected Unisquare Concepts' unwavering commitment to quality and excellence. This collaboration stands as a testament to Unisquare Concepts' ability to deliver high-end, multi-format, strategic, and creative solutions for industry leaders like Elcom, blending creativity with technical depth and precision to craft communication that inspires.